It's back with today. I'll be playing Roblox today. A Roblox gameplay. You know what? I'll pause it until I get to it. Okay, I am just starting to get in. Okay. Just waiting. Please be quiet. Sleepy. You know what? How about no Roblox today? Roblox wants to trip. Starfall. How about I give y'all a little piece of... Never mind. And I was about to say something I did not do on the day. So I just want to break it down to you. I did not want to say that word. I was about to say, yeah, to give you some fits, and I was just kidding. Those two are so dramatic and loud. Please be quiet. Please. What the heck? I can hear my voice echoing. Please be quiet. No, and I tell the truth. Nice. I know I heard my voice echo. Just know I did. Be quiet. My voice sound on here is too loud. I mean too low. Okay, this game is a little boring for you guys, so I might as well play. Please be quiet! Oh my god. I am going to play, you know what? You know what, guys? This is Power Direct. You choose. You finally have your... Please be quiet! You finally have your Power Direct. Be quiet. I don't care, y'all making a lame cake. They lame tails trying to make some cake. What, it's not even some cake. How is it a cake? It's made out of those, the first cake was made out of, oatmeal pies, and their second one is made out of, oh yeah, I forgot. Still, shouldn't be making any kind of lame cake, people. Okay. Wait, okay, here it is. Here's my video that I made a little while. In the month. Please be quiet. This is Power Direct. You know what? I have to calm these little two bad kids down. And I'll be back with you this morning or tonight. I hope you have a nice time watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Please subscribe if you haven't. And I can't believe we're ending off with Bubblegum Witch 3 Sega. New game. I don't care. Play now. You think I want to play this dumb game? It didn't look my video. Bye, guys.